Hey guys, let's make quick and simple pizza for everyone, suitable for everyone. That is what I mean. So in this bowl I have my flour, about 5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Guys, I actually love baking pizzas at home, because when you're at home and you're baking it, you add your ingredients to perfection and you enjoy it a lot more. Now these dry ingredients are here, I'll be adding an egg, guys. Just 1 egg will do the work for me. I actually love that pizza making is so simple and it doesn't take time. Before you know it, it is all ready. And I love that at home you can eat pizza any time of the day, morning for breakfast, snack, even for lunch, anything, or even for dinner while you're seeing a movie. Pizzas are so good. So I mix all the ingredients together just like I am doing now. Pizza making, it's so simple. I mean, you can have it any time of the day and you can just make it within a snap of your fingers. So I'm done mixing these dry ingredients and I am going to add some lukewarm water. Guys, I'll add 1 cup of lukewarm water for a start, and then I'll add little more as I go. I used about 1.5 cups of water for this, so I knead with my hands. Guys, these are clean hands, and also be sure to wash your hands before you start cooking and while you are doing things like kneading. I add some oil to this dough. This is to keep it moisturized and it won't dry out easily while I cover it. When I'm done moisturizing, as you can see, I wash my hands off the dough, or I wash the dough off my hands before I take the next step of covering this dough with some wrap. Guys, this dough will be left here for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes isn't quite a lot of time because I have a warm kitchen at the moment. I punch down the dough and knead it for about a minute. This is just to get it together, and then I divide it depending on how I divide it. But this dough gets me 5 sets of pizza, and that's the beauty of homemade pizza. Everyone eats to their satisfaction. I roll it with a rolling pin and I flip it and bake it for about 7 minutes in an oven. After about 7 minutes, you see it has turned to flatbread, and then I apply some tomato sauce on it. This tomato sauce is also homemade. It is properly seasoned. It tastes so good. I can eat it with anything, but today is just pizza. I apply it generously on the flatbread, which is now our pizza. Homemade foods are also so good because the ingredients are properly used. So this pizza is going to taste very lovely, I bet you. Quite lovely. Homemade pizzas are lovely. When I'm done with this process, I take the next step. I throw in some bell peppers. These are green bell peppers, and that is what I am using today. Green bell peppers, and bell peppers in general are lovely. They are colorful and they are nutritious and healthy. I sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on the pizza. Mozzarella cheese will give it a lovely taste as well, you all know. And then this cheese also adds some color. I like the color of cheese on pizzas. Without cheese, there is no pizza, at least in my book. Cheese adds some taste, lovely taste to pizzas, so it actually should be a thing for pizzas. When this cheese process is done, I top it with some chicken montedella or chicken sausages. These sausages are so good. I can eat it like this, you can eat it like this without even cooking. They are pre-made and they are lovely. I sprinkle more cheese on it and I take it to the oven and bake for about 8 minutes. Guys, it is ready. I slice it up with my pizza cutter. Guys, you see the beauty of pizza. Everyone has their pizzas to themselves and it actually looks and tastes so good. Will you be trying this recipe? Please like this video, share, comment and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more food content. Bye.